Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Sector again. In today's episode, we will have a close look on the specifications of the recently launched Nokia 7 Plus. So let's get started.
Preview.
Coming to its front part, it has a 16 megapixel front camera, a 6-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 18:9 aspect ratio. At the back, it has a dual camera setup with a dual tone dual LED flash, a fingerprint scanner, the Nokia branding, and also the Android One branding. Now, let's have a close look on the box contents of the Nokia 7 Plus. With the device, you get a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C cable, the earphones, and also they have extra 2 pairs of ear tips, the power adapter which supports fast charging, and a plastic case for the mobile. So here are some tech specifications of Nokia 7 Plus. It is powered by the Snapdragon 660 SoC clocked at 2.2 GHz coupled with the Adreno 512 GPU. It has a battery of 3800 mAh and also it runs on the Android 8 Oreo, and plus another advantage that Nokia has assured that the phone will receive 2 more latest updates from Google. Coming to the cameras of the Nokia 7 Plus, it has a 16 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture. Also, it has the earpiece with it and the Nokia logo on the top. It has a dual camera sensors, of which the primary camera is of 12 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, which is a wide angle lens, and the secondary camera of 13 megapixel, which is a telephoto lens. Here are some images that we clicked on the Nokia 7 Plus. They look quite impressive with excellent brightness levels, and the color reproduction too looks quite natural. Let me know guys what you think about it in the comment section. Now, let's have a close look on the accuracy of the fingerprint scanner of the Nokia 7 Plus. Yes, looking at the first impressions, the fingerprint scanner works quite fast and smooth. Yes, no issues with it. Also, at the below of the Nokia 7 Plus, you get a USB Type-C port, the speakers and a mic. Last but one of the most important things which is not missing on this phone, that is the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. So guys, this was our full review on the Nokia 7 Plus. If you liked our today's video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel Tech Sector, don't forget to subscribe it. You can also follow us on our Instagram account to get the regular updates about our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you will be notified on our every new video. Thank you and take care.